In 2 years, I'll be graduating high school. I need money to be able to afford a good college. When I talked to my parents about it, my dad said, "Forget about college. You'll start working with us when you finish high school." I said, "Dad, I don't think what you're doing is right. I'm not going to be like you guys." And he got really mad at me. My mom screamed, "You don't like what we do? Then you're moving out the moment you're done with school. Good luck taking care of yourself." My dad took it even further, saying, "Your mom's absolutely right, and we won't be taking care of you until then either. You better start looking for a job tomorrow." "I'm never going to be like you. I will be an honest person and make money the right way," I yelled back and left. That night, I looked at job postings for hours. I applied for jobs that seemed like a good fit for me. In a couple of days, I started working at the reception desk of a small hotel. I went to work every day after school. One night, when I got back from work, I saw a homeless man in front of our building. Normally, there are no homeless people in our neighborhood. He was staring at me.